Welcome back to BBB's 5-Minute English. I'm Luis. Today, we are trying something new. We are going to talk about science, but in very simple English.
And I'm Emmy. That's right. Science can be difficult, but it is also fascinating. Today, we are talking about something everyone does every day.
Yes. We do it at night, we do it in bed, and if we don't do it, we feel terrible. Today's topic is, why do we need to sleep?
It's a great question, Luis. Did you know that humans spend about 1/3 of their lives sleeping? That is like 25 years of doing nothing.
Wow, 25 years. That sounds like a lot of time. Sometimes, I think sleep is a waste of time. I want to watch movies or play games instead.
I know that feeling. But actually, scientists say sleep is not doing nothing. When you sleep, your body is very busy. It is working hard.
Really? But my eyes are closed and I am not moving. What is my body doing?
Think of your body like a smartphone. If you use your phone all day, the battery goes down. You need to plug it in to get more energy. Sleep is like charging your battery.
Ah, I like that example. So, sleep gives us energy for the next day. If I don't charge my phone, it dies. If I don't sleep, I have no energy.
Exactly. But it's not just about energy. It is also about the brain. Your brain is the most important computer in the world.
Okay, so what does the brain do when we sleep? Does it turn off?
No, it stays on. During the day, you learn many new things. You talk to people, you read, you see things. Your brain gets full of information.
It's like a messy room, right? Clothes everywhere, books on the floor.
Yes. And sleeping is like cleaning that room. When you sleep, your brain organizes your memories. It decides what to keep and what to delete.
That is amazing. So, if I study English words today, and then I sleep well tonight, I will remember them better tomorrow?
Yes, exactly. Sleep helps you learn. If you don't sleep, your brain cannot save the new information. It's like typing a document but forgetting to click save.
I see. That explains why I feel confused and grumpy when I only sleep 4 hours. I can't think clearly.
Me too. And it's also good for your body. While you sleep, your body fixes itself. If your muscles are tired from the gym, sleep repairs them.
So, sleep is a doctor, a cleaner, and a charger all at the same time. Nature is very smart.
Nature is brilliant. But Luis, many people have trouble sleeping these days. Do you have any tips for a good night's sleep?
Well, the biggest tip is about light. Our phones and computers have a blue light. This light tells our brain, wake up. It is daytime.
That is so true. I often look at Instagram in bed, and then I cannot fall asleep.
Yes, we should stop using phones 1 hour before bed. Also, a dark and cool room helps a lot.
Great advice. I need to try that tonight. No phone in bed.
Now, before we continue, let's ask our listeners a question about their habits.
Good idea. Question time. How many hours do you usually sleep? A. Less than 6 hours, I am a night owl. B. 7 to 8 hours, just right. C. More than 9 hours, I love sleeping. Let us know in the comments.
I usually sleep about 7 hours. But I want to get 8. Okay, Emmy, let's teach 3 useful science words from today's episode.
Sure. The 3 words are energy, brain, and habit.
The first word is energy. It means the power to do work or be active. Example 1, I have no energy because I didn't eat breakfast. Example 2, children have a lot of energy to run and play.
The second word is brain. It is the part inside your head that thinks and feels. Example 1, using English every day is good for your brain. Example 2, the brain controls the rest of the body.
And the last word is habit. A habit is something you do often or regularly without thinking. Example 1. Brushing your teeth is a healthy habit. Example 2. Checking your phone at night is a bad habit.
Perfect. So, the lesson for today is, sleep is not lazy. Sleep is necessary. It makes you smarter, stronger, and happier.
I agree. So tonight, don't feel guilty about going to bed early. Your body will thank you.
Thank you for listening to this science edition of BBB's 5-Minute English. We hope you learned something new.
See you next time, and have a good sleep. Bye.
Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I truly appreciate your support. Before you leave, please give this video a like and add it to your favorites. And if you'd like to keep learning together with me, don't forget to subscribe to BBB Learning English. See you in the next video.